Well, this your boy Styles out here at Backgate, fishing down here in Pendleton. We see the bridge right there and everything. Yeah, me and my cuz Dagwood out here. Me and Ronnie P never made it down here. He on the phone right now talking about nothing since he can't catch no fish. But this is where we come. When we get in the water here, we come over here by the rocks, try to do a little bit of something. We go out here and get to fishing, you know. Get us a few good pops. Sit out here and see what we can do. Yeah, but me and Dagwood, yeah, we out here trying to get something. It's late in the evening, we got a late start. But this is what we doing. Say hey to your folks, D. Dagster.
Yeah.
Look at Dagwood.
Hey, how's my people?
How you is?
How's my people?
Yeah.
Deep dog. Hey, whatever it takes.
Uh-oh.
Put a smile on the white face.
Hey, this will be on YouTube. All right, until then, we're hollering.